good evening my pretty and gorgeous ladies. Ella unnaru? Hope you all are doing fine and healthy. I'm at Brand Mandir store to showcase beautiful budget friendly collections andi. Let's start with the mannequins. Now back to our collections. Just follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. అలాగే యూట్యూబ్లో కూడా మా ఛానల్ బ్రాండ్ మందిర్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting notified. And the saree which I am wearing is very pretty peach and sea green combination chinia silk saree. All over floral vines. Beautiful contrast border, cross checks with florals and floral vines. This is the pallu. Complete florals, zigzag border. Blouse kuda manaki ee color lo vachestundandi. Contrast sea green blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. Yeah, we'll give soon andi. Next saree chuseddam allopu. And I teamed up this saree with this pretty blouse which is from our brand. R for Rupamani, another brand from our Brand Mandir. Any query regarding designing blouses, dupattas, lehengas, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Yeah, let's see another saree. One more chinia silk saree. Floral buttas, medium size and smaller. Border contrast lemon yellow. Double floral vines borders and cross kaddi. Pallu contrast with zigzag lines and stripes. And blouse contrast lemon yellow blouse, plain with border. So saree pricing and details. It's 8,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AF769. Send us on 733 733 7000. It's actual price and the offer price kosam 733 733 7000 number ki ping cheyandi. Next saree chuseddam. Next beautiful saree. Lime green with pink. Zari checks with floral buttas. Lovely border with Rudraksh paslays, florals and paslays in checks. Blouse, pallu, contrast with zari lines, double paslays. Blouse, contrast with stripes and border. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,400. Offer price kosam. Just take a screenshot along with the code AJ603. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, green and red chinia silk saree, all over saree checks with beautiful small and medium size floral buttas. Contrast border red color with zigzag and floral lines. Pallu contrast zari lines and stripes. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details. Yeah, 7,100 actual price. Offer price kosam just take a screenshot along with the code AJ607. Send us on 733 733 7000. Next saree, now Kora. It's a Kora, half white with red. Beautiful dollar buttas. Contrast border with paisleys, munias and florals. Pallu contrast with zari lines. Blouse contrast brocade blouse. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI709. Next saree. And do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Now let's see another pretty saree, and before going to the saree details, do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection you will be getting a notification, and do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. And there is a beautiful lovely offer going on our website and that is www.brandmandir.com, and today is the last day. Gadwal sarees paina, Venkatagiri sarees paina, lovely offer is going on. Ide kakunda daily we have excited offers in our website. Just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree, very pretty orange with purple magenta combination. Beautiful zari checks with floral buttas. Lovely contrast border with floral jal and zigzag kaddi brocade. And this is the pallu, contrast with zari line. In the blouse, contrast with checks, buttas and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ609. Send us on 733 733 7000. This saree overall look okasari chusedam. And na saree pricing and details kuda istanandi. 7,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ560. Very pretty peach and sea green combination chinia silk saree. Next saree, and indaka chuinchanu kadandi, orange and magenta pink combination. Let's have a quick look. Lovely color combination. Now back to our collection. Next saree, yellow and blue. It's a bright yellow, all over floral buttas and beautiful border. It's a contrast blue color border with temples, paisleys and floral blocks. Pallu contrast with zari lines and florals. And the blouse, it's a contrast zari lines blouse with border. Saree pricing and details, 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ604. And you can go for a customized blouse like this. Even this type of blouses looks amazing on this such kind of sarees. And for customized blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. And do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills, near Pedamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara. They both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. Let's move on to see one more lovely saree. It's a Kora saree is coming on my way. Beautiful peach color. Lovely. Complete thread work. Beautiful thread work and sequence. Border, sequence and thread work. Pallu, running pallu ended up with border. Blouse, wow. Contrast text blouse without border only. Saree pricing and details. It's only 4,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AI346. And there is a lovely offer going on in our website on Gadwals and Venkatagiri Pattu Sarees Andi. Just log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Alage daily exciting offers unnayandi, miss avvakunda log on avvandi. Next saree chusedam. Navy blue with orange color. It's a borderless saree. We got a very pretty florals with leaves and florals, leaves, petals, leaf petals. It's in a shape of maple leaf. Beautiful. They are very pretty. Broad ga untayi leaves. Ekku spring season lo vastayi. And this is the pallu. Beautiful contrast pallu with leaf brocade. And the blouse, contrast plain. Saree pricing and details. Very soft and lightweight pattu saree andi. 6,000. Take a screenshot along with the code AH862. Next saree. Beautiful Kora, mint green, all over thread work, beautiful zari diamond border. It's a zari border. Pallu, thread work as well as zari lines. Blouse contrast, matka silk blouse, plain. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,520. Take a screenshot along with the code Y184. Next saree. Lovely mauve shade. Beautiful kora all over zari checks. Beautiful border. It's an antique zari shaded border with florals and vines, meenakari florals, and beautiful border again downside here in yellow color, mustard yellow, with munias, kaddi with munias, and this is the pallu, super gorgeous pallu, diamond brocade, floral zigzag lines, stripes, and this is the blouse, contrast with border. Yep. Sari pricing and details. Beautiful and very lovely mauve shade. Sari price 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ594. Dear ladies, do you know how to follow us on our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Yeah. Now back to our saris. Lovely blue and pink shade. Pretty sari. It's a sea blue with beautiful dollar buttas and lovely contrast border with paslays and munias, florals, and this is the contrast pallu again with zari lines. Blouse contrast with buttas and diamonds. Sari pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ608. Next sari. Yeah, beautiful orange kora sari. And the geometric pattern, beautiful print with diamonds, and this is a threadwork border with thread lines and paslays. This is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, and the blouse, printed blouse, orange color shelf with buttas and border, crochet border. Sari pricing and details. 3,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ596. Next sari. Wow. Beautiful sari. My favorite, grey color. Grey with very pretty yellow combination. All over floral buttas and lovely kaddi border with meenakari, beautiful big roses and leaves. And this is the pallu, kaddi with beautiful flowers with leaves. Blouse, this is the contrast blouse, beautiful yellow color blouse with border. Too good, Andy. Very lovely combination, and this is very lightweight. Price is 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ595. Next sari. Blue with yellow, mango yellow. All over zari checks with floral buttas in it. Border contrast with paslays, rounds, and paslays and florals in checks. And this is the pallu, zari lines as well as paslays. Blouse contrast with stripes and border. And saree pricing and details. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,400 actual price. Offer price kosam, just take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. Next beautiful saree. It's a very pretty brown and peach combination. Very lovely. All over floral buttas. It's a chinya silk andi. This is the border, contrast with floral vines, florals and peacocks and rounds. Floral jal here. And this is the pallu, zari lines with buttas, floral buttas. Contrast pallu, contrast blouse with zari lines and border. Saree pricing and details. $6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ606. And there is an offer going on in Gadwal sarees and Venkatagiri sarees andi in our website. Ivi kaakunda daily exciting deals kuda chala unnai. So miss avvakunda log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree. Mustard yellow with gorgeous red combination, zari checks with dollar buttas, diamonds. Border zigzag with floral contrast border. This is the pallu with rich zigzag kaddi borders vachayandi ila stripes laga, contrast pallu. And blouse, contrast plain. ఇలా లైన్గా జరీ లైన్స్ వచ్చాయండి, నాట్ ప్లెయిన్, లైట్గా చాలా థిన్గా వచ్చాయి విత్ బార్డర్. బట్ టూ గుడ్, వెరీ లవ్లీ కాంబినేషన్. మస్టర్డ్ విత్ రెడ్ ఇస్ అనేది వెరీ అమేజింగ్ కాంబినేషన్. సో ఇలాంటి సారీస్ కూడా కట్టుకోవచ్చండి, ట్రెడిషనల్ కాంబినేషన్స్ కదా. వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతానికి ఇలాంటి సారీస్ కట్టుకుంటే చాలా యాప్ట్గా ఉంటుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. And do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Pedama Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjaras. They both are in Hyderabad. And we ship globally. Within Hyderabad, we are providing cash and delivery option. And the saree pricing and details. Yeah. It's 5440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ16. Send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree. Pink and mustard. Complete florals. And downside contrast border with diamonds. And this is the pallu. Complete contrast pallu with diamonds. And the blouse. బ్లౌజ్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ అండి, ప్లెయిన్ ఉంటుంది, బార్డర్ ఉంటుంది. యా, విత్ బార్డర్ ఇలా వస్తుంది. ఇది సారీ యాక్చువల్లీ పళ్ళు వైపు వచ్చిందండి బ్లౌజ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బార్డర్, ఇలా వస్తుంది. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్. 6,720. Take a screenshot along with the code AC347. Next beautiful saree. Beautiful Kora again, very pretty sky blue shade with pink combination, all over thread, florals and sequins. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with border, beautiful border with sequins and thread work, and ila cut work kuda vachindi. Pallu kuda alage vachindandi, running pallu. And the blouse, contrast pink matka silk blouse. Saree pricing and details. It's 4880. 4880. Take a screenshot along with the code AG970. AG970. Next beautiful sari. Lovely peach Kora sari, all over floral jal. Lovely border, zigzag border. This is the pallu, complete diamond brocade border. Complete diamond brocade pallu with borders, and the blouse. A self color, but it's a matka silk blouse with border. Light ga map shade lo kanpadutundandi. Ulli pottu color antaru kada ala kanpadutundi blouse. But too good. Saree pricing and details. It's a 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ594. Saree overall look ఒకసారి చూసేద్దాం. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది సారీ. జాల్ మొత్తం జాల్ వర్క్ వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ సారీ చూసేద్దాం. వావ్, వెరీ ప్రెటీ సారీ. ఇట్స్ సీ బ్లూ కలర్, సీ గ్రీన్ బ్లూ షేడ్ అలా వస్తుందండి. చాలా ప్రెటీగా ఉంది. మీనాకారి అండ్ జరీ ఫ్లోరల్ బుట్టాస్ వచ్చాయి విత్ స్టెమ్స్ అండ్ ఫ్లోరల్. And this is the kaddi border with temples. Pallu, zigzag, triangles and temples. Blouse, sea green with border. It's a matka silk blouse and the fabric matka silk. Sari fabric vachesi Kora. 9,520. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ593. And indaka nenu chuinchanu kada peach color saree. Let's have a quick look. Wow. Do follow us regularly in Instagram and Facebook, that is Brand Mandir page. Do subscribe our channel Brand Mandir in YouTube and press the bell icon so that whenever we upload new collection, you will be getting notified. That's saree. It's so smooth. Beige. Florals, beautiful Kora fabric and lovely printed florals, colorful, and akkadakkada stones kundans stitch chesaru. And this is the border with zardosi, gotapatti and stones, kardana cut work. And this is the pallu, running pallu ended up with cut work border, and the blouse, contrast work blouse. Beautiful maroon color, dark maroon. Saree pricing and details 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AI787. Next saree. Pink and mustard combination Kora saree. All over floral buttas with vines. Border contrast with leaves. Pallu contrast with leaf lines. Blouse self plain with border. Saree pricing and details 6,080. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ592. Next sari. Lovely green and red chinia silk sari, all over zari checks with floral buttas in it. Contrast border with pasleys rounds and pasleys and florals in checks. Contrast border, contrast pallu with zari lines and pasleys, double pasleys lines. Blouse, contrast with zari lines, stripes and border. Sari pricing and details. It's 4,320. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ602. For daily exciting offers, daily deals, log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, and today there is an offer going on Venkatagiri sarees, Venkatagiri Pattu sarees and Gadwal sarees, and don't miss. Log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Next saree, red with green combination, beautiful florals all over the body and contrast border with floral vines, peacocks and circles and floral chal. And this is the pallu, contrast with zari lines as well as buttas. And the blouse, contrast with zari lines and border. And sari pricing and details, 6,400. Take a screenshot and send us on 733-733-7000. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in our digital platforms? If not, just have a quick look. I'll be coming in a while.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Kora sari, half and half, grey and bright orange, neon orange. Zari checks, big and small. Beautiful pasleys, rounds and floral vines border with temples. Very big border, almost 15 inches. And this is the pallu with zari lines. Blouse, chinia silk blouse with beautiful thread work. Sari pricing and details, 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AF779. Next sari, blue and bright pink, lovely dotted buttas and lovely contrast border with pasleys, florals and munias. Pallu, contrast with zari lines. Blouse, contrast pink color with the diamonds and buttas. And sari pricing and details, it's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI783. And one of our beautiful client asked for beige color sari andi. A sari nenu chupistanu. Soumya garu, yes, I'll be showing in a while andi. Yeah, here it is. Beige color Kora sari, beautiful printed florals. It's apt for parties and evening parties ki, reception parties ki chala baguntundi. Printed florals and akkadakada stones stick chesi unnai. And this is the gotapati and stone cut work along with the kardana. And this is the pallu, running pallu, ended up with cut work border. And the blouse, work blouse, contrast silk work blouse. This is for sleeves. ఇలా ఉంటుంది కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. టూ గుడ్ ఉంటుంది పేరప్ చేస్తే. యా స్వప్న గారు Soumya garu, if you like this saree, take a screenshot along with the code AI787. Send us on 733 733 7000. 6,400 is the price, offer price. Next saree. It's a Kora saree. Orange and purple. Purple kuda kadani, ఇది ఒకలాంటి మెజెంటా పర్పుల్ షేడ్స్ అలా ఉన్నాయి. Beautiful zari checks and vines, leaf vines with dollar buttas with both gold and silver zari, contrast border with florals and zigzag design, and this is the pallu with zari lines and silver color stripes. Blouse vachesi contrast plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 5440. Take a screenshot along with the code AI702. Next saree. Royal blue with yellow chinia silk saree. Zari checks with floral buttas. Contrast border, yellow color with floral jal and zigzag border. Pallu, contrast with zari lines and stripes. Blouse, contrast checks blouse with buttas and border. Too good kada. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,680. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ619. Next saree. Anni budget friendly sarees andi. Almost anni 10 lope unnai. Green and mint green with yellow combination. All over dollar buttas. Round buttas, beautiful border with paisleys, munias, and this is the pallu, contrast with zari lines, and the blouse, it's a yellow contrast blouse, brocade, floral brocade. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI700. Next, lightweight pattu saree చూపించబోతున్నాను. Lovely peach color, diamonds andi with multi-color saree, lovely kaddi border, and this is the pallu. It's a blue color pallu with zigzag lines, zari lines. Blouse, contrast peacock blue with border. Too good color, lovely combination andi. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,880. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ612. So, ఇలా కూడా పేరప్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇలా బ్లౌజెస్ చాలా రిచ్గా గ్రాండ్గా ఉంటుంది. నేను వేసుకున్న అలాంటి బ్లౌజ్. And for such kind of beautiful, gorgeous blouses, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandir, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733 733 7000. Beautiful kada, chala pretty ga undi. Next saree. Yeah, purple with sea blue, sea green, zari checks with dollar buttas. Floral vines border with zigzag borders, contrast border, contrast pallu with zari lines and golden zari stripes. Blouse, brocade blouse and the contrast floral brocade blouse. Saree pricing and details. It's 5440. Take a screenshot along with the code AI525. Too good. Next saree. Green and pink, zari lines with floral buttas, gold and silver zari, and lovely border contrast, pink color, bright pink with floral jar. Pallu contrast with zari lines and golden zari stripes. Blouse contrast plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI707. Next sari, lightweight pattu sari, green color, green and grey, floral buttas all over the body, big border contrast, grey color with stems of florals and leaves and kaddi, and we got a pink 1-inch edge contrast. And this is the pallu, complete brocade, silver color with floral vines border. Sari blouse vachesi grey color with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 9440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ611. Next sari, bright green and purple color sari. It's a chinia silk sari with florals, small and medium size. Border, double floral vines and cross kaddi border. Pallu, contrast with zigzag stripes and golden stripes. Alla zigzag stripes vachandi, big and smaller size. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 6,400. Take a screenshot along with the code AF795. 765. AF765. Next sari. Wow. Lightweight pattu sari. Mehendi green color. Cross checks with floral buttas and lovely traditional border with peacocks, contrast border. Very pretty and mehendi green and pink color, magenta pink. Too good. And this is the pallu. Zari checks with florals and paisleys. Blouse contrast magenta pink with border. Too good. And sari pricing and details, it's 11,440. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ614. Next sari, it's a bright yellow with purple combination, lemon yellow with dollar buttas and beautiful border contrast with purple border with paisleys and munias. Pallu contrast with zari lines. Blouse contrast with diamonds and buttas, floral buttas. Sari price, it's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI690. Next sari, yellow with blue, mustard yellow, rich kaddi with embossed floral buttas. Border is blue color with paisleys and peacocks, elephants in the middle. Beautiful kaddi downside. And this is the pallu. Checks with florals. Beautiful andi, very gorgeous. And this is the blouse. Contrast, plain with border. Sari pricing and details, it's 10,640. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ617. Lightweight pattu sari. Next sari, Kora sari. Mint green with beige. Beautiful double floral buttas. Border, jute border and zari border. Cross kaddi with florals. And this is the pallu, jute pallu. Blouse contrast Kora blouse with border. Saree pricing and details. Very lightweight and very pretty. 5,680 is the price. Take a screenshot along with the code AI524. And there's a beautiful offer going on in our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And Gadwal's paina Venkatagiri sarees paina deal nadustundandi. So don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. Ive kakunda you are having daily excited offers, so keep on logging andi. Next saree, peach with yellow, bright peach with jala buttas, and beautiful contrast border with paisleys and florals along with the munias. This is the pallu contrast with zari lines. Blouse contrast with the diamonds and floral buttas, cross diamonds. Saree pricing and details. It's 5,200. Take a screenshot along with the code AI741. Next saree, royal yellow with sky blue, very light blue and sea blue. It's a royal yellow with sea blue. Beautiful zari checks and border, very big border with cross floral vines, paisleys, floral jal, round buttas and temples. Almost 15 inches big border. Pallu contrast with zari lines. And the blouse, chinia silk blouse with all over thread work. Too good kada, very lightweight and super soft fabric. 5,200 is the price. $5,200. Yeah, 6,500 and offer price 5,200. AI680 is the code. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience and these small technical issues. Next saree చూసేద్దాం. Yeah, నేను కట్టుకున్న సారీలో ఇంకొక కలర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. Yellow, royal yellow with mint green combination chinia silk saree, floral vines all over the body. Beautiful contrast border with cross checks, florals, floral vines. Contrast pallu with floral jal and zigzag borders. Blouse, wow, contrast brocade blouse and which buttas vachai and border. Too good. Chala rich ga undi. Saree pricing and details. 7,760. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ597. Next saree, lightweight pittu saree, parrot green, blue and pink combination. Complete leaves vachai, leaf motifs, and this is the border, double border with pink and blue with huge floral buttas. And this is the pallu, contrast pink color pallu with paisleys, huge paisleys, florals. Blouse, contrast plain. Saree pricing and details. It's 9,840. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ615. And next beautiful saree. Do visit our store. It's in road number 56, Jubilee Hills near Peddamma Temple. And one more store is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. They both are in Hyderabad. And dear ladies, do you know how to follow us in technical digital department? Just have a quick look.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts, and all notifications for videos and live videos.
Next saree. It's a lovely sea green lightweight pattu saree with floral buttas, kaddi border, pallu maroonish red color, floral jal, beautiful leaves in curvy cross checks and lovely contrast border, plain with border. Beautiful blouse, contrast, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 4,800. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ613 and send us on 733-733-7000. Just be careful, Andy. Lots of rains. Lovely yellow and maroon color. Rich kaddi with embossed florals. Contrast border. With paisleys and peacocks. In the middle, elephants. And downside we got a kaddi. Contrast pallu with zari checks and florals. Blouse contrast, plain with border. Saree pricing and details. It's 10,640. Take a screenshot along with the code AJ616. And let's move on to the mannequin sarees and their prices. Beautiful green and navy blue. Very pretty. All over floral buttas, and downside we got paisleys and floral jal, contrast pallu, navy blue, and the blouse is contrast. And saree pricing and details. It's 10,600. Take a screenshot along with the code AF76 and offer price kosam send us on 733-733-7000. Next saree. It's a half white color only, beautiful printed kora saree, printed florals. And akkada stones kuda unnai. Beautiful cutwork border, gotapati, kadana and sequence stones. Very lovely. And pallu vachesi running pallu ended up with border like this. And blouse vachesi manaki ide color lo untundandi, contrast this color with work vastundi, but this is not from the saree. Saree price vachesi it's 8,000. Offer price kosam take a screenshot along with the code AI624. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. Next saree. Lovely chinia silk saree which is in very pretty peach and maroon shade. All over zari lines with florals. Lines with floral buttas vachayandi. Beautiful border with florals and lines. And this is the pallu, contrast pallu with zari lines, and this is the blouse, brocade blouse. Too good kada, ila rich ga untundi chala. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. వరలక్ష్మి వ్రతం వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇలాంటి సారీస్ చాలా ప్రిటీగా ఉంటాయి. సారీ ప్రైసింగ్ అండ్ డీటెయిల్స్, take a screenshot like this and send us on 733-733-7000. And this beautiful blouse is from our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar. It's a tissue blouse, complete kadana and beadwork, glass beadwork. And for such kind of pretty blouses, beautiful gorgeous blouses, lehengas and dupattas, many more, contact our brand, R for Rupamani, another brand from our brand Mandar, which is exclusive for the unique designs. Any query regarding designing, just ping us on 733-733-7000. So ఇప్పుడు వరకు నేను చూపించిన sarees, let's have a quick look. Hope you all liked our today's stunning, gorgeous and beautiful sarees. Kora's budget-friendly sarees, lightweight pattu sarees, chinya silk sarees చూపించానండి. 3 to 4 varieties of sarees చూపించాను. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని వెంటనే స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మాకు పింక్ చేయండి 733-733-7000 నెంబర్కి. అండ్ వీ షిప్ గ్లోబల్లీ అండ్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ అయితే క్యాష్ ఆన్ డెలివరీ ఆప్షన్ కూడా అవైలబుల్లో ఉందండి. And log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com, for more daily exciting offers. And today is the last day and the deal is going on Gadwal saree and Venkatagiri sarees, so don't forget to log on to our website, that is www.brandmandir.com. And this live video will be saved in Instagram, IGTV, Facebook as well as YouTube. So 24 hours లో మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా మీకు నచ్చిన సారీని బుక్ చేసుకునే అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. రేపటి లైవ్ లో మళ్ళీ కలుస్తాను. Until then, bye bye, take care, love you all. Stay fit, stay healthy. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, so today I'm going to tell you how to get updates. Click on settings and go to manage follow settings. Choose favorites for newsfeed, standard for posts and all notifications for videos and live videos.